how to create a newsletter in Substack. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a newsletter in Substack. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open a preferred browser on your PC and search for Substack. Over here, open the first website and you will be redirected to the home page. After that, click on the Create Your Substack button. Then enter your email address, click on Continue, and fill in your name, bio, and description on the next page. After that, click on Continue to create your account. Once your account is created, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and select Home. Over here, you can view and interact with notes from other users. Then, to create your own note, go to the left side menu and click on the plus icon. Over here, you can share your own content. After that, if you want to create a brand new Substack, click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and select Create Substack. Then enter your email, click on Continue, and you're all set. So that's how you can create a newsletter in Substack. That's all for this video.